Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safe, sport-specific equipment and a correct grip. You want a solid but relaxed hold near the center of mass. This gives control rather than brute force. Once mounted, check balance, make small corrections with your legs and core so the lance feels like an extension of your arm. Make sure to rehearse the basic draw and carry motion at walking speed, because mastering that gentle rhythm prevents panic and keeps you safe as you progress. You now develop a controlled approach and steady aim, emphasizing body mechanics over brute force. Once you set pace, align hips and shoulders so the lance follows your core rotation. This is why you practice at slow speeds first, to ingrain the movement. Make sure to keep your head up and eyes on the scoring zone, and use breath to steady timing. As you gain confidence, progressively increase speed while keeping the same controlled mechanics and protective focus. You finish by managing impact and conducting immediate safety checks. On contact, absorb energy through your legs and core. Do not lock joints, so forces dissipate safely. Once the pass ends, slow deliberately, signal clear intent, and dismount only when instructed. Then inspect armor and lance for damage. If anything is compromised, stop and notify the marshal or instructor right away, because quick reporting prevents repeat hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.